Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export transactions to Google Sheets in YNAB. All right. So first up, go ahead and log into your account. Now go to the top left, click on your plan. And in here, just go ahead and select your plan. Okay. Once your plan is selected, now go ahead and click on export plan right here. Okay. So just click on it. That will be a pop-up. Just basically click on export. Wait for a download pop-up right here. Save it wherever you want. I'm going to go ahead and save it on my desktop. Click on save. And once done, click on the file folder. Make sure that you export this zip file or RAR file. Extract here. There you go. Okay. Now let's open up register and plan right here. Here's the register. Okay. And the plan right here. All right. Now let's go ahead and upload this one into Google Sheets. So go ahead and open up sheets.google.com. All right, wait for it to load, or docs.google.com. Now, once it loads, click on blank spreadsheet. Now click on file right here and click on import. Now select upload, click on browse. Go ahead and find the directory where the export is downloaded or saved. Now here we have the plan. I'm going to click on it and click on open. Wait for it to fully upload. And once that's done, click on import data. Wait for it. And here you have it. That is how you export transactions to Google Sheets from YNAB. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.